We're in the beautiful Colne Valley in West Yorkshire. I'm Tollkeeper May, and our heritage trail's called Crossing the Pennines. There's plenty to see, walking in the footsteps of the Romans, going from York to Chester, the medieval pack horse trains, clever engineers such as Thomas Telford and Blind Jack of Knaresborough, the turnpike trustees who put up the milestones, and the navvies who built the canal and the railway. We've commissioned some new waymarkers too.
We were creating waymarkers along all the different footpaths around Kirklees, and obviously they need some waymarking to show them which way to go, so we've created authentic stone waymarkers. This is stone that's quarried locally in West Yorkshire. It's Yorkshire sandstone. We worked with students from Kirklees College, countryside apprentices, street scene apprentices, people like that, and also community groups. We're using traditional stone carving tools. The students were taught a skill, and also it's a very careful way of working. You know, you've got to really concentrate, you've got to take time, you've got to be careful.
You can find the route on our website, www.crossingthepennines.co.uk.